Welcome back to XM Natural Hair and Color Studio based in St. Louis, Missouri. I am San Marie, and today I have a new client here, Shanice. Shanice is a first-time mom that's experiencing some major hair and scalp changes postpartum. So she first came in for a consultation, and during her consultation, I assessed her scalp and her hair health, and I noticed that she could benefit from an additional scalp treatment. So I recommended the Biolage scalp therapy treatment to help soothe and rebalance her scalp, in addition to the new client reset and renew experience. So, being a first time mom, she noticed excessive shedding, dryness, and itchy scalp. And even upon further examination, I noticed that she also had some breakage. These are all common after having a baby, especially if you have a baby and you breastfeed for an extensive amount of time, which she also did. But with the right care, I was confident that we can get her hair and scalp back to a healthy place. Here I am applying the treatment, massaging it into her scalp to increase circulation. So she probably felt a cooling, refreshing sensation. After rinsing, her scalp felt lighter, cleaner, and more balanced. The treatment actually has 3 to 4 steps, which I did not show. However, that was followed up by the hydrating steam. And here I am adding one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, Mazzani Miracle Cream, to prep her hair for the blow dry and protect it from the heat. I want to talk more about postpartum hair changes and the role of hormones. So after pregnancy, estrogen levels drop, and that leads to the shedding that many new moms experience. This is completely normal, but it can feel alarming if you're not expecting it. And this is how Shanice felt when she was explaining to me what she had been experiencing, because, like I said, this was her first baby. I am a mom of 4, and I also have experience with clients that have babies and have postpartum shedding and have all of the issues that she had been describing. Also, she had breastfed for a while. So if a mom is breastfeeding for an extended period of time, prolactin, which is the hormone that's responsible for the milk production, remains high. This can prolong the postpartum hair changes, like excessive shedding and dryness. It can even change your hair texture. Some moms notice that their scalp either becomes drier or oilier. It depends on how the hormones adjust. Your hair may feel weaker, it may feel more brittle, it may feel thinner, especially if your nutrients are depleted. One key factor that I notice in many moms, and I too am guilty of this, but you stop taking your prenatal vitamins too soon. Prenatal vitamins are packed with iron and biotin and folic acid and vitamin D. All of these are crucial for hair health. So if you stop taking them too soon while breastfeeding, you can experience all of these: the increased shedding, the breakage, the slower hair regrowth. All of this is what she explained that she was experiencing. So I knew exactly how to handle it and exactly how to treat it. If you take a look at her ends really weren't bad. She came from a previous stylist that had recently given her a trim. She didn't feel like the stylist quite understood the other issues that she was experiencing, which led her to my chair. So I helped her with the plan. She purchased products from me. She made her next appointment, and she is committed to getting her hair, her life, her body, and everything back on track, because if you've ever had a baby, you know that babies can take a toll on our bodies. We love them, they're precious, but your body is never the same after having a baby, and that many times includes your hair. So How do you support postpartum hair health? Scalp care is key. So the treatments like the Biolage scalp sync, scalp therapy can help rebalance the scalp. Moisturize and strengthen your hair by using hydrating shampoos and deep conditioners to prevent breakage. Nourish your body from within. If you're still breastfeeding, consider continuing the prenatal vitamins or at least eating a nutrient-rich diet, a diet with iron, protein, and vitamins. Keep up with your regular hair maintenance, your trims, your protective styling to minimize damage. You can get your hair and your body back on track, but it does take commitment. It does take dedication. And I'm just glad to be of assistance to my clients that deal with this because I completely understand it. I'm not a doctor. I'm not, an RN, but I have dealt with this before. So I was really, really glad to be able to help her because postpartum hair changes can feel overwhelming, but with the right care, they're temporary and they're definitely manageable. The new client reset and renew experience, along with the Biolage scalp sync treatment, gave her scalp and hair the reset that it needed. With consistent treatments and healthy habits, her hair will continue to thrive. If you're experiencing postpartum hair concerns, don't wait. Invest in professional scalp care and a tailored routine to get back to your healthiest hair. It can most definitely be accomplished. So I am finishing up styling her hair, and I will play some soft music for about a minute or two, and then I would like for you to see her reaction to her hair.
It's so pretty. It is.
Oh, looks lovely.
It's good.
Can't see it. Do you wear glasses?
Yeah.
Oh.
I do actually. Yeah, this look good. Thank you. I'm excited.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for your positive comments and feedbacks. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments. I always respond. I will see you on the next video.